Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 21st video in wxPython GUI Application Development. In the previous video we have learned about different kind of text controls in wxPython. This is from the previous video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create font and color dialogues in wxPython. So I have created a new Python file at the name of font dialog, and I'm going to just copy my window code like previous videos and paste it in here. This code will be make a nice window for me, and let me just change the title to the font dialog, font and color dialog. Okay, now in the panel class I'm going to create my first I'm going to create a dialog. Okay, first in here I need to create a button in my this section, self.button and wx.button, and I'm going to give it self, and the label is for example open font dialog, and give it a position. I want 200 by 100x and 100y. Okay, now this was my button, so if I run this you will see that I have a button. Okay, now this is my button. After this I need to create a new method in here, so div on open and give it an event. So in here I'm going to create a dialog object, wx.font dialog, a font dialog object, font dialog, and it needs some parameters. The first one is none, and the second one is wx.font data. Okay, now I'm going to create a if condition, if the dialog dot first let me show you. You can simply do dialog dot show model, okay. Now let me bind this, self dot bind wx.evt underscore button, and my method name is dot on open. On open, let me just copy this and paste it in here like this. Now if I run this, I have my window. If I click on open dialog, so you can see I have a font dialog. This is, and in here you can see a color, and this is our scripts. Okay, now let me create a text control. I want to change for example I want to write something in text control, and I want to change the color of that. So in here self.text control and wx.text control, and self, give it a size of 400 by 300, and also give a style of wx.te underscore multi line. Also give a position of, let me bring it in here, give a position of 100 and 150. So after creating the text control in here in your onOpen method, let me just remove, or let me just in here create a if dialog dot it's okay. Okay, if dialog dot show model is wx.id underscore OK, If this is the case, I'm going to make a data variable and I'm going to get the font data dot from the dialog get font data, and I'm getting the font data, saving in my data variable, and also make a font variable and data dot get chosen font, get chosen font, like this. Now also make for color, because also we need to change the color data. Okay, let me just first show you the font. Now after this, now I'm going to set my this font to my this text control that I have made it in here. So self dot text control dot set font and give your font variable. Okay, now I'm going to just run it. Now I have a text control in here. Let me write something. Please subscribe my channel and like the video, like this, and let me open, make it 20, make it bold. Now you can see the text has changed, and this was our text, our font. Now for the color, and here I'm going to create a color variable, data dot get color. Now in here, self dot text control dot set foreground color to the color. Now just run your application, and I'm going to please subscribe to my channel and open this and change the color, for example, to red. Yeah, you can see now it's changed. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel.